Meaning of discreteness.
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 Discreteness. Discreteness refers to the quality or state of being separate, distinct, or individual. In other words, it is the quality of being made up of separate parts rather than being continuous. For example, numbers are discrete because they are made up of individual whole units, while time is continuous because it flows without interruption. Discrete systems are often used in computing and mathematics, where they can be represented by a finite set of symbols or states. Discreteness plays an important role in many areas of science and engineering, including digital signal processing, cryptography, and computer science.